Cash App Advisor, one of the best guides for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and in this video, we'll explain how you can use your Cash App balance for deposits on DraftKings step by step. So make sure you watch till the end to learn the full process. As you may know, DraftKings is a well-known sportsbook and daily fantasy sports platform that accepts various debit cards. However, many users wonder if they can directly use their Cash App balance on DraftKings. The answer is no. There is no direct method available to link Cash App to DraftKings. But don't worry, there's an easy workaround. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to transfer your Cash App balance and use it on DraftKings without any hassle. So, let's get started. To explain the methods of using Cash App balance on DraftKings in detail, we have brought you to this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, if you look at the right-hand side, you will find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. One of these articles is titled, "Can you use Cash App card on DraftKings? Know the possibilities." This article explains the possibilities and limitations of using Cash App on DraftKings in detail. As we scroll down in the article, it lists the payment methods accepted by DraftKings. If I explain them one by one, this video will be quite long. All this information has been taken from the official DraftKings website. You will find the link to this article in the description. You can visit it yourself if you wish. Scrolling down further, the most important question appears. Does DraftKings accept Cash App? Here, it is clearly stated, yes, DraftKings does support Cash App, but not directly. This means that DraftKings does not have an option to connect Cash App directly. However, there are multiple indirect ways to use your Cash App balance on DraftKings. The first method is most common, where you transfer your Cash App balance to your linked bank account and then connect that bank account to DraftKings to deposit the balance. This is the standard method that most people know. The second method is, can you use Cash App card on DraftKings? It states, yes, you can use a Cash App card on DraftKings. There are various types, and most Cash App cards are accepted on DraftKings. So, you can easily use Cash App card to spend your Cash App balance on DraftKings. Additionally, if you use your Cash App card on DraftKings, you will find almost all relevant information in this article. If we scroll further down, a step-by-step process explains how you can deposit your Cash App balance into DraftKings using a Cash App card. Scrolling down a little more, there is a video that visually demonstrates this step-by-step process. You can also watch this video for additional clarity. Below that, the article explains the precautions Cash App users should take when using their Cash App card on DraftKings. Further down, additional details are provided, including the fees associated with using Cash App on DraftKings. It also answers whether the winnings from DraftKings can be transferred back to the Cash App card. The article states, yes, you can withdraw the winnings from DraftKings to your Cash App card by following normal withdrawal process. Below that, a complete step-by-step guide with screenshots explains how to transfer your winnings to your Cash App card, making it easier for you to understand. Further down, details about deposit limits when using a Cash App card on DraftKings are provided. So, this article provides complete and detailed information on how to use your Cash App balance on DraftKings. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.